Okay, one thing I forgot to mention, that is the individual value you have got is 15.1 and another is 15.3. The mean we have got was 15.2. It was fair enough, and we have reported it to nearest whole number, that is 15. So report it as AIV. Okay, but before that we'll have to check the first and second, these two test values with this one, whether this exceeds 0.15 times of the mean value. So whether it exceeds this 5.15 times of 15 or not, that is 0.15 times of 15 will be 2.25, and 15, that is plus minus 2.25. so if it is 15.1 and 15.3 is out of this range, then you will have to conduct two additional tests. In this case we will not have to conduct this. So in that case you will get, if it were so, then you will have to conduct two additional tests. This was 1, this was 2, so further 2, 3, 4 additional tests will have to be done. In that case, say for example it were exceeded this value, the value would be like 1 you have got 11, 1 you have got 17, 1 you have, so in that case it exceeded this value, and in that case you have to conduct two additional tests, and therefore you have got, say for example 12.1, another value you have obtained is 18. So then you will be taking the median of these four results. So for median, we'll have to arrange it according to the ascending order, 17 and 18, and as there are four numbers, so median will be these two values, and we'll be taking mean of these two values, 12.1 and 17 divided by 2. This value will be then rounded to nearest whole number, and this will be your AIV result in that case. And one thing you should remember, that we have conducted this test for the dry specimens, dry aggregates. So dry aggregates we have conducted this test for, so that is surface dry condition, and we have heated it not more than 4 hours. There are some conditions you will see in the standard. We have used the British standard. As you have seen, British sieve was we have used British sieves where there 14 millimeter, 10 millimeter conditions. So British sieve used, that is, this is the British standard. There might be British standard, or there might be also the standard of American standard. So American standard, generally we use ACI standard or ASTO standard. We will see ASTO standards later on. For this transportation, we are in Bangladesh, we use both British and American standards based on the perspective. So in different tests we use different standards. So in this particular AIV determination test, we have used British standard BS 812110, and it was of 1990 test. So this is the test number we have used. There is another provision for the soak aggregates to test AIV, but we are not covering that is. So we will be only covering this method. So remember all these procedures in quiz. If you give questions, you will have to answer it correctly, and we may discuss about the soft copy of the lab manual afterwards. Thank you.